Hello, everyone. Good afternoon, and welcome to the Generator Founder Series Spotlight. My name's Troy Vossler, co-founder at Generator, and today I am joined by Daniel Yeboah, founder and CEO of Revella Health. Welcome, Daniel.
Thanks, Troy. Happy to be here. Super excited to get to chat with you today.
Well, let's jump in. Let's kick things off. Please introduce yourself and your company. So tell us a little bit more about Revella Health.
Sure. My name's Daniel. I'm the CEO and founder of Revella Health, and what we're building is a an AI first platform that captures care gaps in the patient's journey and allows the provider, which is the physician, to close those care gaps and get paid faster.
Nice. And then what's your current traction, however you want to define that, like revenue, customers, fundraising and financing? Take
Sure.
notice.
Yeah. So to date, we've raised just a little over 500,000 in funding. And in terms of our customers, we're working with two major insurance companies and seeing some really, really great progress there. With one provider, we're actually launching a six-state initiative with the provider. So we're really, really super excited about that one. And we're going to be launching our funding round in September of this year.
All right, a lot of good news.
Yeah.
Congrats on that traction.
Thank you.
And then where is Revella located?
We are located in the beautiful city of Birmingham, Alabama.
Nice.
Yeah.
And why Birmingham or why Alabama?
We were initially a Toronto-based company, and we it was last year we were in the gener8tor HealthTech Accelerator program, and a lot of people wondered why you going to Birmingham, and I knew absolutely nothing about Birmingham, but I fell in love with the city. I fell in love with the people, the Southern charm, the Southern hospitality. It's just amazing people here in Birmingham, and so we just thought, you know what, it'd be a great opportunity for us to move our company here and move the head office into Birmingham. Love the weather as well, so I can't really complain about that. And it's been we haven't looked back since.
I love it. I love hearing those stories, and
Yeah.
I think Birmingham's such a great location and all the support in Alabama. So definitely shout out to the team at Prosper and the Prosper HealthTech Accelerator crew, in particular that Prosper HealthTech Accelerator powered by Generator that you participated in. So you said that was about a year ago.
Yeah.
Maybe Daniel, just tell us a little bit more about your Generator experience with the Prosper HealthTech Accelerator.
Yeah, so it was a really amazing experience. There was a lot of workshops. We took advantage of every single event and workshop and all the programming. I mean, for us, we soaked it all in. We took advantage of all the mentors, all the EIRs, and so we thought, we were really, really engaged. And so I think the fact that we took advantage and we were really, really engaged, it ended up being a positive experience for us where we still to date have existing relationships with individuals that were originally from the program. That's where we actually launched our first pilot. And that was with a company called Meds Plus, where in one of the sessions that we were at Innovation Depot, in this conversation, they asked us, "Do you want to do a pilot?" And so it was that type of warm reception that was really exciting for us.
I love hearing that story.
Yeah.
How would you say the accelerator helped you the most?
I think for us, where the accelerator helped the most was they really pushed and challenged our assumptions. And so we in the early on when we came into the program, we came into the program as one company. During the program, we actually pivoted, and we pivoted because instead of peeling back the onion and having those weekly sessions with the EIRs, we realized that the problem that we were actually trying to solve was not the problem. There was another problem. And so I think them being able to challenge us and with the challenge, provide the support and help us with that clarity, I think that's where we really began to accelerate within the program.
Nice.
Yeah.
What advice do you have for entrepreneurs and founders considering an accelerator program?
I think what I would always say is number one, keep an open mind, be intellectually curious, right? Ask questions, um, take advantage of the individuals that are in the program, that are in the accelerator, um, build relationships with them, take advantage of the mentors, right? Take advantage of the EIRs. And so I think if you take advantage of what the program offers you, I think that's where you're really going to get the biggest benefit from being in an accelerator.
I love the nod to curiosity. It's actually one of our generator company values. So it's always
Oh
good.
wow.
I like hearing when other people channel that as well. So I'm a big
Yeah.
fan. Stay curious. Daniel, tell us about your favorite part of the program or perhaps the favorite connection made either during or after the program.
So one of the things I think for me has been really exciting is the relationships that I made with the individuals in the cohort. Um, there's one, for example, Dr. Patricia Marsh. Um, she was in the program. Her and I still have ongoing conversations where literally I had a medical issue a couple of weeks ago and I reached out to her and we're always in contact. There's another individual in the program, Paulo. Him and I still speak, and that's really exciting. Kels, again, I think it was just this week, she sent a text message. We're going to catch up on Monday. And so it's really exciting to know that those relationships that we built within the program are ongoing. And what's also exciting is there's individuals that were from the previous programs where I've also built relationships with them. And that really grew out of the generator program, right? And so they're able to really connect you with the old individuals that were in the program, the alum. And we've really built some really good relationships. Like, big shout out to Greens so um great group of individuals.
I love that. I love hearing the stories of just like the connections and the camaraderie within that cohort of
Yeah.
founders. I think is really durable, and obviously you kick it off and meet during the program, but then have those lasting relationships. And it never hurts to have a doctor.
Yes.
Too.
Exactly.
Daniel, my last question I ask every guest here is if you have one ask for the audience, anyone watching this on YouTube or LinkedIn, maybe it's an introduction, an investor, just general advice, a customer, what would your ask be?
So I think, for us, one ask would be introduce us to a clinic that might be struggling, a payer that might be struggling with their performance metrics, star ratings, but any type of introductions, right? And if you know that there might be an investor that we think that we might be a great fit with, we would love to have that first meeting with them. So we're always open to investors, clinics, payers. Those are the three top partners. Or if you're a mentor, right? If you think there's an opportunity where you can connect us with someone who's a mentor that can provide us some of that deep insight, so we could see around the corner, be really excited for that opportunity.
I love it. Well, if any of you have ideas, please put it in the comments in the chat here and help Daniel out. So thank you again, Daniel Yeboah, founder and CEO of Revella Health. Make sure to check out the link to Revella Health to learn more and appreciate your time. Thanks for being a great founder and good luck.
Thank you so much, Troy.